That's you. That's you. That's my boy. That's my boy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Team G. My name is Nelson.
This is Little G.
This is Little G. We want to go ride bikes today, but we got to wash Grandpa's truck, right?
We have work to do.
We have work to do. Are you ready to do this?
Yep.
Are you ready to do this?
Yeah!
You ready to do this, man? Hold on! Make sure it's super. Stop! Stop, bro! Stop! I can't see anything. The truck is fully washed. Grandpa approved, looking nice and shiny.
Oh, we're gonna play a little game. Will I make it in?
To the bucket.
So, like if I don't, and subscribe if I will.
Subscribe!
Let's go!
Let's go. Little G, Little G, Little G, Little G. Oh my God. All right, he gets one more shot. One more shot. You got this, G. That one had a little too much pepper. Right here, look at the bucket. Eyes on the bucket. You can do this.
Subscribe to help me.
You can do this. Oh, we made it! We made it! Yes! I don't know how to dance, but we did it! We did it! Ah! That was amazing.
Thank you for helping
That was
me.
amazing. All right, nice job. Let's get our bikes. Let's go.
Mom, you can
Let's go
stop.
before it gets too dark. It's getting dark. Oh, I'm also on a brand new bike too. This is the Sizzle bike. This is a really cool folding bike. And yeah, it goes about 20 miles an hour, and it's actually a really cool pedaling bike. So it's really nice to pedal this thing. Battery weighs about another 10 pounds, so 60 pounds altogether. It's got front suspension, but it's a very, very cool bike. Let me turn on my light. Not a very big light, but it's light. How you doing, bro? Good. You know how to get to that park? Oh, the one by the high school. The one we always go to. It's got a lot of space, good space to throw a Frisbee. Careful right here because these guys can turn into us, so check. Okay, go. He's gonna let us go. Give him a wave, tell him thank you. Thank you. There you go. Now right here, we're gonna stop again and we're gonna hit this button. Oh, can you give it to me here? Thank you. Ah! No, our Frisbee. I'll get it, go. Yeah, baby girl, let me see you dance, let me see you twirl. Shake it for the whole world. Whole world. What's up, girl? What's up, baby girl?
I saw it in your hand after I passed by.
Yeah. Let me see you twirl. Let me see you dance. La la lava. I said la 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 lava. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, as tasty as hell. Woo! Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. It's a lava attack. Look, is good. I just seen that one video of these guys riding the e-bikes, and I think they got pulled over by the cops. And because they were on the sidewalk, they didn't get their bikes impounded. Crazy. Which they weren't even. They were e-bikes, but they're really like e-motorcycles. It's craziness. Oh, that's a joke. So yeah, nothing wrong with riding on the sidewalk. And here we are at the park finally. Hopefully we can play some Frisbee. Let's go. Oh, there you go. Oh, pretty smart. Come on. We're gonna start out small. That's all I was telling you. Just wait right there. Right here. Nice. Ready? Nice. Nice throw. Nice catch. Nice. Ooh. That's you, that's you. Oh. That's you, that's you. No matter what, you catch it. You got it, you got it. Oh. You got it, that's you. Ooh. What? That's you, that's you. Now I'm dedicated. I'm gonna catch them all. Pokemon. That was you! Catching this one no matter what. That was a good throw. Hey, nice throw though. That's a good recovery. That's you, that's you. Oh, that's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Hey, good throw, good throw. Dude, 3 for 3, 3 for 3. And good throws. 4 for 4, that's 4 catches in a row. 4. What? Ooh. Oh, no! 5 for 5. That's my boy. Hold on. The video's over. We made it to the park. We washed the truck. We played Frisbee.
And I made it in the hoop.
You did. That was dope. Anything you want to say to your fans, your subscribers, your followers?
The people that support me are amazing.
That's such a good message. You guys are amazing. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Stay beautiful. Mwah, mwah.